Welcome back to the Channel Audio Official Podcast. As always, we have a riveting one for you today. Bit lengthy, it gets into the details, but I think it's ultimately something you're going to want to know about, and actually something you kind of need to know about, and that's expert tips for crystal clear audio at live events. Ensuring high quality audio at live events is crucial for creating an unforgettable experience. As an AV rental company in Nashville, Channel Audio is dedicated to providing top-notch sound solutions for any occasion. Now, here are some expert insights and practical tips to help capture crystal clear audio at your next event. First, let's start with the key strategies for clear audio. Choosing the right microphone is a critical factor. Different types of microphones are suited for various environments and purposes. For instance, a wireless handheld microphone is ideal for dynamic presentations and performances. It provides excellent sound quality and allows the speaker or performer to move freely. For hands-free operation during speeches or interactive sessions, lapel, also known as clip-on, or headset microphones are preferable. These mics are less obtrusive and allow for greater mobility. Properly positioning speakers is crucial to ensure even sound distribution throughout the location. Place speakers at an appropriate height and angle to cover the entire audience without creating dead zones or excessive volume areas. Using top-notch speakers designed for live events delivers distinct audio that can cover large areas effectively. Next, we're going to dive into audio equipment recommendations. And boy, do we got a few. The equipment quality is essential when aiming for crystal clear audio at live events. Here are specific factors to consider when choosing audio gear to ensure the best sound experience. First, let's talk about speakers. For speakers, aim for at least 500 watts RMS for main speakers in medium-sized venues. The power ensures they can deliver the necessary volume without distortion. Look for a frequency response range of 40 Hz to 20 kHz to capture the full sound spectrum, from deep bass to crisp highs. Ensure the speakers have a minimum SPL of 120 decibels to project loud, clear sound across your venue. Avoid speakers with less than 300 watts RMS, narrow frequency responses like 100 Hz to 15 kHz, SPL ratings below 110 decibels, as these can lead to inadequate volume and poor sound projection. Now let's talk about microphones. When selecting microphones, consider those with a sensitivity of -50 decibels per volt per Pascal or higher to capture even the quietest sounds. Look for microphones with self-noise below 20 decibels SPL to minimize background noise. Choose cardioid or supercardioid polar patterns to reduce feedback and focus on the sound source. Steer clear of microphones with sensitivity lower than -60 decibels per volt per Pascal, self-noise above 25 decibels SPL, and omnidirectional microphones in noisy environments, as they can struggle with quieter sounds and pick up unwanted noises. Next, let's talk about mixing consoles. Versatility is key with mixing consoles. Choose one with at least 16 channels to accommodate various inputs and outputs. Built-in DSP, which is digital signal processing, is a must for advanced features like EQ, compression, and effects, allowing you to fine-tune the audio to perfection. Look for a signal-to-noise ratio above 90 decibels to ensure clean, clear sound. Avoid soundboards with fewer than 8 channels, lack of built-in DSP, and a signal-to-noise ratio below 80 decibels, which can introduce unwanted noises into your mix. Next, let's go on to cables and connectors. High-quality cables and connectors are essential for maintaining signal integrity. Opt for cables with braided shielding to prevent electromagnetic interference and ensure robust, durable connections. Gold-plated connectors are ideal for optimal conductivity and longevity. Avoid unshielded or poorly shielded cables, which can pick up noise and degrade sound quality. And connectors made from low-quality materials like cheap plastic, which can easily break. By focusing on these specific criteria and ensuring you have the right equipment, you can avoid common pitfalls and deliver exceptional sound quality that impresses your audience and makes your live events unforgettable. Next, let's talk about some other things regarding best audio practices from, industry professionals such as ourselves. Conducting effective sound checks before the event starts is one of the best practices for ensuring high-quality audio. Test all microphones, speakers, and sound sources to identify and resolve any issues during sound checks. This process helps to ensure everything is working correctly and there are no unexpected problems during the event. Involve the performers or speakers in the soundcheck to ensure they're comfortable with the setup and have crisp audio. Monitoring sound levels during the event is also vital. Continuously monitoring audio levels help to avoid feedback or distortion. A digital mixer allows real-time adjustments to maintain optimal sound quality throughout the event. Using redundant systems is a smart strategy to ensure seamless sound in case of equipment failure. Implement backup systems such as spare mics and speakers, and consider using a second mixer for important events. Having backup equipment on standby can prevent potential disruptions and ensure the event runs smoothly. Okay, chugging right along, folks, we're going to talk about common audio challenges, and of course, we have the solutions. Feedback issues are a common challenge in live sound. Microphone feedback can disrupt the event and cause discomfort for attendees. To prevent feedback, position microphones away from speakers and use equalizers to minimize feedback frequencies. Additionally, using directional microphones can help focus on the primary sound source and reduce the likelihood of feedback. Interference from other devices is another common challenge, especially with wireless microphones. Wireless microphones can experience interference from other wireless devices operating on the same frequency. To prevent overlapping frequencies, use frequency coordination tools like Shure Wireless Workbench to find clear channels. This ensures that your wireless mics operate without interference, providing a clear and uninterrupted signal. Ambient noise can hinder the clarity of the sound too. Background noise from the audience, HVAC systems, or other sources can be distracting and reduce the audio quality. To address this, use directional microphones that focus on the primary sound source and noise gates to reduce unwanted noise. This helps to ensure that the sound is clear and free from distractions. Okay, y'all, last section here, but you're not going to want to miss it because we're talking about staying updated with the AV industry and the technology that's constantly changing. The field of audio technology is obviously evolving, with new equipment and software being developed regularly. Staying updated with the latest advancements is crucial for maintaining superior sound at live events. Attending industry conferences allows you to see the latest gear in action. Attend workshops and hear from thought leaders. Participating in training sessions and certification programs offered by manufacturers helps you maximize the potential of your equipment. Networking with other professionals through social media groups, online forums, and local meetups provides real-world insights and experiences. Subscribing to industry publications like Pro Sound News and Live Sound International, not sponsored, helps you stay informed about trends, product reviews, and case studies. By staying informed about the latest trends and innovations, you can incorporate new technologies into your audio setups, maintaining high-quality sound. Okay, so to wrap this puppy up, in conclusion, by implementing these strategies, using the right equipment, and following industry best practices, you can achieve crystal clear audio at your events. At Channel Audio, we're dedicated to delivering exceptional AV solutions for your event success. You can contact us today to learn more about our services and how we can help you achieve outstanding sound quality. Whether you have a corporate event, a concert, or a wedding, our expertise and top-tier equipment will provide crisp, powerful, and professional audio. Let us help you create an unforgettable experience. Thanks, as always, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.